Hello viewers, welcome to Chemath Lab. This time we are looking at area of a parallelogram. Now for students to pass this, always you need to know the formula for finding the area of a parallelogram. It is just very simple. It is the base times the height. Now, most cases we get confused with what the base is and what the height is. In this example 1, we have our base as 9 centimeters and our height as 5 centimeters. Always the height is shown with dotted lines. That is where you get to know that this is the height and this is the base. Now when you use 6, 6 is not the base. 6 is just another side. So in this we clearly follow the steps when you want to get all these full marks when you are dealing with area of parallelograms. So it's base times height. You just write base times height. Then you clearly indicate what the base is. That is 9 times the height, which is 5. Then write the final answer, 45. Put the units, centimeters squared. Always remember to put the units in square units with a square, because that is the way area is measured. It is measured in square units. Now we go to our second example. As I've said in the previous one, you have to arrange them in this format. This is a clear formula for you to pass your area properly. Arrange it in a clear format. That is area equals area equals area equals 3 lines. Then you come here on the first line, you write the formula, which is base times height. Indicate what the base is. In this case, our base is 3 and our height is 5. Then 3 times 5, that is 15. Indicate that you are dealing with meters squared. And that is all that you need to know about the area of a parallelogram. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.